Today I'm going to talk about one of Git's most powerful features, the interactive rebase. So the interactive rebase kind of turns messy development into a clean, reviewable commit history. And by a clean, reviewable commit history, I mean that all of the commits focus on just doing one logical thing. They are complete and correct on their own, and they leave the codebase in a working state. And the benefits of doing this is we have easier to review code, we've got a clean history, and so that just makes everything easier. So let's take a real example of some code where maybe the commit messages are not ideal. So I'm just going to look at some recent changes, and I've got this change here, add baseline analysis results file. And I'm thinking, did I really add that recently? I thought that file's been around for ages. So what we can do is you can get the git char and we can do git show, and it tells us what actually happened in this commit. So we didn't actually add a new file, we just redid the formatting slightly. So let's use interactive rebase to give this git commit a much better message. So we can do git rebase -i for interactive, and then we need to give it a reference point from where we're going to go back to. So in this case, we'll do ~3, so we'll go back up to 3 commits. And what we have here is the 3 commits. And the one I want to change is the second one in this list. And what I want to do is edit the commit message. So what I need to do is use the reword or R command. So we'll change that from pick to, you can do R or you can do reword. And what's going to happen now is we are going to save that, and then Git has worked through the commits, and now it's pulled out this particular commit. So this is a commit where we just modified the baseline analysis results file, and I am going to change the message. So instead of saying add baseline results file, I'm going to fix formatting in baseline results file. So we'll save that, and we have been told that we've successfully rebased and updated our code. So now if we go back and look at the online graph, the second one down now has this new message that we've done, fixed formatting in baseline results file. It's now got a different char, as indeed has everything above that. But everything else remains unchanged. So we've seen how we can use interactive rebase with the R or the reword option to reword a message, a commit message.